everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country farmhouse home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country farmhouse home decor emphasizes warmth, simplicity, and rustic charm, often incorporating vintage elements and natural materials. Here are some ideas to achieve this style. Walls and flooring. Chiffon walls. Add chiffon or baseboard to walls for texture. Decor elements. Antique finds. Use vintage items like lanterns, clocks, or watering cans for display. Messengers. Repurpose messengers as vases, candle holders, or storage. Oven baskets. Use wicker or wire baskets for functional storage and decorative accents. Lighting. Use iron candles or pendant lights with additional bulbs for a plastic flare. Add lantern-style sconces or table lamps with fire lamp shades. Textiles. Layer with linen, burlap, and cotton fabrics. Add throw pillows and blankets with plain, gingham, or floral patterns. Kitchen decor. Display open shelving with ceramic dishes and glass canisters. Incorporate a farmhouse sink with a vintage style bucket. And a wooden or butcher block island for functionality and style. Accessories. Use vintage signs or chalkboards for wall decor. Hang a rustic queen on doors or walls for a charming touch. Here are practical tips to achieve a country farmhouse decor style in your home. Start with a neutral base. Use white, cream, or beige for your walls to create a clean and bright backdrop. Create a cozy space. Add throw blankets and pillows in warm, soft fabrics like linen, cotton, or wool. Use patterns like gingham theme work beautifully. Place plants in plastic pots, wicker baskets, or galvanized metal containers. Focus on statement lighting. Add a port-pattern candelier or a painted light with addition bulbs for a focal point. Use library-style lights or sconces to enhance the farmhouse charm. Display window swines. Hunt for unique features like gold clock, a window